Airport managers and airlines now want to offer passengers an increasing level of comfort before, during and after they travel. On the ground and in the air, good air conditioning is a major factor in this comfort. Particularly as they are getting on board, passengers appreciate a temperate cabin atmosphere. A pleasant temperature keeps passengers calm as they wait to take off. Until now, each aircraft on the ground provided cabin air conditioning via its APU auxiliary power unit. Limited in power, this equipment generates pollution, excessive noise, and fuel consumption. To offer passengers more comfort, a new service to airlines, to improve working conditions for operators on the tarmac, SEAT, one of Europe's leading air conditioning equipment manufacturers, now offers PCA, pre-conditioned air. This is a new air conditioning system which does away with the use of the APU, eliminates any nuisance it generated, and reduces operating costs. PCA by SEAT is available in 3 versions: point of use, centralized and hybrid. It can therefore be adapted to any airport configuration. The point-of-use ADX can be used for the air conditioning of an aircraft from a self-contained installation on each passenger bridge. This type of installation is particularly suited to terminals with less than 10 passenger bridges. Installed at the base of the rotunda, the air cooling unit is a point-of-use unit. It produces and blows a sufficient quantity of cooled air at the right temperature for the air conditioning of the aircraft at the gate. The telescopic duct joins the cooling unit to the retrievers, adapting to the movements of the passenger bridge. The retrievers automatically unreel and retrieve the hose to the aircraft. The deployed hose is connected to the hatch under the aircraft fuselage. PCA ADX system by SEAT, the quick solution for comfort everywhere. The ACW centralized system epitomizes all SEAT's know-how and technological leadership. It offers the highest handling power of the PCA range. Several dozen passenger bridges can be equipped. ACW by SEAT guarantees an optimal overall result. A set of equipment supplies the air handling units in each passenger bridge with low-temperature glycol solution. The units produce and blow fresh air to the aircraft. They can be positioned either at the base of the rotunda or suspended from the passenger bridge. This type of installation is particularly suited to terminals with more than 10 passenger bridges. The production unit is installed underground. It consists of water-to-water chillers equipped with high-power screw-type compressors completed by Christopia cold storage units, exclusive to SEAT. These storage units are supplied by the water chillers during off-peak periods. They make up for increased demand during peak periods. This design offers high response flexibility, particularly for airports, subject to very hot climates or which have to handle significant traffic variations. In addition to the chillers, the dry coolers are installed on the roof. Their design ensures easy integration in a wide range of architectural choices. As an alternative to water-to-water chillers, Power SEAT air-cooled water chillers can be used, again in a rooftop installation. The glycol solution is conveyed to the air handling units via a heat-insulated line. The retrievers enable dual connections to jumbo aircrafts like the B747 and the A380. The hose adapter is equipped by a remote control unit for unreeling and retrieval. The ACW centralized PCA system by SEAT is the most comprehensive and most optimized solution for ground-based aircraft air conditioning. It illustrates the extensive technological know-how of one of the leading names in air conditioning. The SEAT PCA ADW hybrid units are connected to the chilled water production for the air conditioning of the airport. Very compact, they can be installed on the ground near the rotunda or under the boarding bridge or in the hangars for the air conditioning of the planes during maintenance. They are equipped with compressors and brazed plate condensers which allow to meet required low temperatures without glycol water. SEAT's ADW hybrid system is the ideal solution to make use of and optimize the resources of an existing air conditioning installation. The control panel is used to select the type of aircraft to be connected. Start unreeling and retrieval operations on the selected hose. Activate the control functions of the PCA unit in question. Straight stainless steel telescopic tubes located under the boarding bridge provide cold air from the PCA to the retrievers. These tubes are highly air-tightened and are proposed in 2 or 3 sections to meet the boarding bridge length. The originality of the retrievers lies in the comfort, simplicity and reliability of its use. The automated operations facilitate operators' work, connecting all types of aircraft. The 2 hoses are independent. This system meets the safety requirements applicable in the vicinity of the aircraft, clearing work areas rapidly and speeding up servicing operations in complete safety. At the end of each hose is an adapter to connect to the aircraft. It is equipped with controls used for unreeling and retrieval. For narrow and wide-body aircrafts, a single hose is sufficient for their fresh air supply. For jumbo units, the shut-off valve allows the flow rate on 2 hoses. This probe measures the air temperature inside the aircraft continuously, from the moment it is attached to the passenger bridge to its departure. Airports reserve parking areas not serviced by passenger bridges. For aircrafts parked in these areas, SEAT has devised complete installations including PCA, chillers and Christopia cold storage. They supply air to the aircrafts via pits all around the tarmac. To perfect the air conditioning chain so as not to interrupt the comfort between the terminal and aircraft cabin, SEAT can supply air conditioning units for the passenger bridge itself. In a centralized installation, the balance between the temperatures of the different air-conditioned areas is handled in real time by the control station. SEAT has one of the largest air conditioning and air treatment research and innovation centers in Europe. In vast buildings, researchers, engineers and technicians devote their thermal, refrigerating, aerolic and acoustic competences. Intensive tests of PCA equipment allow for the checking of necessary evolutions to meet the specific needs of some airports. It is, for example, the case with this high-capacity ACW250 dedicated for the air conditioning of the Airbus A380. In order to validate its performance on the test platform, extreme conditions of use were recreated, exceeding 46 degrees Celsius, including very strong humidity. During several weeks, it produced more than 250 kilos of air per minute at -4 degrees Celsius with a pressure of 10,000 pascals. A successful result. The comfort of the passengers of the A380 is guaranteed even in the hottest countries. PCA is produced by SEAT Airport Systems, a division of SEAT. Through its technological know-how and leadership, SEAT is the first leader in the air conditioning market in Europe, to offer airports such an extensive and advanced range of products and services for ground-based aircraft air conditioning. PCA Global Concept by SEAT. They will all get there in the end.